Have you ever wondered what actually happens in the dark corners of the internet? Today, we're breaking down the ultimate battle online, white hat versus black hat hackers. It's not just a movie trope. These two groups control the security of everything you use online, from your Instagram to your bank accounts. Let's see who they really are. Before going to the video, I remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, subscribe and keep the notification bell all pressed. Then let's go to the video. First, let's talk about black hat hackers. These are the bad guys of the internet. Black hat hackers break into computer networks with malicious intent. They steal sensitive data, wipe out files, or hold systems hostage for money. They use techniques like malware, phishing, and ransomware to exploit vulnerabilities purely for personal gain or revenge. They are cyber criminals, plain and simple. On the flip side, we have the heroes, white hat hackers. They are also known as ethical hackers. White hat hackers have permission to break into systems. Companies and governments actually hire them to hack their own networks. Why? To find weaknesses before the bad guys do. They help fix security flaws, protect user data, and keep the internet safe for everyone. So, what's the core difference? Black hats destroy, while white hats protect. One is illegal, and the other is a highly respected, high-paying career. If you ever get into tech and want to become a hacker, always choose to be a white hat hacker. Use your skills for good, build things up, and protect the world from cyber threats. Which side sounds more fascinating to you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and stay safe out there. See ya.